Hello there, my name's Clive and welcome to Dream Doors South East London, based here in Eltham SE9. Here at Dream Doors we can do as much or as little as you like, from just changing your doors over to doing your worktops, appliances, etc. We can do as much or as little as you like. Here at Dream Doors we pride ourselves on making the most of the customer's budget. We don't replace what doesn't need replacing, we only replace what you can see, touch and feel to give you the maximum value for your money. So please come and visit us down here at 150 Westmount Road, Eltham, SE9 1XA. Thank you.